on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with a brand new Kubota in custom green for our friends over at Cure Construction Company. What we're demoing here on this build is a client supplied 50-inch light bar, as well as 4 Thin-X in green white configuration. We made some custom brackets to mount everything up top of this and used some of the Kubota mounting points. And as you can see, we've got them Thin-X synced up to go green-white alternation. We didn't want to pick a super aggressive pattern because this machine does have a snowplow and a spreader, and it's going to be working with the public quite near. So a nice slow alternation was in order. It's always nice to have some extra light. So client supplied 50-inch light bar mounted up on the roof. Here inside the cockpit, you can see how we've used some client-supplied Carling style switches to control all the different accessories right there in the factory Kubota location. He's got 4 switches: front light bar, rear light bar, beacon, and bed lights. Let me show you around the back. Here you can see custom-made brackets. We had a little help from our friends at Connolly Steel. Sent them out to powder coating at Midwest. Got a nice bracket for our Thin-X, as well as our light bar in the rear. Out back, you can see our Thin-X mounted up top, same as the front, same pattern as the front, as well as a customer supplied 40-inch light bar. Down below, we also have 2 client supplied LED pods. Put them down underneath there by the spreader. Here you can get a little better view of those LED pods, as well as that rear facing light bar. I don't think there'll be any shortage of light when working around this vehicle. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure you check out links in the description for the particular Thin-X lights we featured here. And drop an email if you have a custom project like this you need done. Bring it right to our facility. We'll get you in and out. No time flat.